Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One Vision, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, and you'll have the battery saver icon right here. Simply tap on it. It gives you this message asking you turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activities, some visual effects or other other high power features to extend the battery life. So what it basically means is your apps will basically be killed off in the background if they're running a little bit too long. Notifications will be delivered in bulk instead of frequently whenever they're being sent to you. So for instance, someone might send you a notifications and you'll just get it after like a couple minutes when the device decides to sync and see if you received anything. And also, I believe background brightness is being turned down. Looks like everything is turned to black, so it also needs to lose less brightness on the display. And yeah, that is how you would enable it. And if you want to disable it, just simply go back here and tap on the battery saver once more, and everything goes back immediately to normal. So that is how you would enable and also disable the power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.